Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Tuan Nasuha. I will explain about my final year project, which is assessing the implementation of computer aided as a developing country. We need the importance of computer aided to benefit the operational work in our organization. The goal of the research is to determine the full use of computer aided and the effectiveness of the computer aided facility management in organization. Why the industry top can play their role in developing facility management to be matured and established through it? The importance of computer aided should not be overlooked because it helps drive the process of facility management service to be more manageable and secure. Therefore, to obtain information of the research, I have used a quantitative method to approach to analyze the data. The information gathered from respondent, which is from organization integrated facility management company in Malaysia. I have been using analyze this solution using SPSS, Microsoft Excel, and Google Form. The result obtained have a average mean score which total between 3.35 to 3.43 respectively. To summarize, the implementation of computer aided in organization is moderate, and the result can be used for future research. And the study can focus facilities management organization in Malaysia, providing the best computer aided in system compared to the European country. This research is promote the best for computer aided aspect in facilities management industry. Facility management is a function that encompasses a variety of disciplines and contribute to their core business by providing quality services and maintaining the support service of organization. The computer aided facility management is a high technology tool that combines a computerized network system with a centralized data gathering system to integrate graphic and non-graphic information in a consolidated manner. For facility professionals, use computer aided to track and to manage nearly and facility related assets such as asset management. They enable managers and decision makers to examine the effective use of space more efficiently than ever before. In literature review, I have list the definition of computer aided facility management. Facility management being integrated with facility management. And fourth is building maintenance, which is I list the type of building maintenance, the type of computer aided using in organization in Malaysia, and of course the operation and manual. And the last one is user training for computerized system for staff. In methodology, the stage 1 is issue and problem segment. The problem segment is systematic FM, work at the organization level in Malaysia is still infancy. That's why this research is the aim of the research is to propose a potential technology CAFM to perform FM services in Malaysia. The result have shown in the first objective 1 is to determine the full use of computer aided industry. The finding of this research have shown in the result and discussion. For result and discussion is the questionnaire have been responded by the respondent, which is from degree holder. We have 52%. And 31% are from diploma qualification. For number 2, for demographic factor is majority are other designation, tender specialist, internship, and admin assistant. The rest are engineer and technician. For number 3 is the majority or respondent have less 5 years working experience in facility management integrated company. The last one, the industry have been Response to this questionnaire is from the commercial sector, which have 41% high percentage of this result. The second one is to achieve the objective one, to determine the full use of computer-aided technology facility management, which is the finding of the discussion is organization know the use of the system. Organization know how to use CAFM, relate with the process of planning and controlling the acquisition, operation, maintenance, and renewal of company asset, which is referred to as asset management. Number 3 is the project has a certain target and is implement the CAFM software application in their day-to-day business operation. The project is worth certain to target. The last one is organization can submit helpdesk requests while on the move, and the organization contractor can use the mobile application to review and update the status of this request. So the researcher thinks that due to the fact of the employee have access to the features of computer aided and access to computer in daily routine. For the part C is to achieve the objective number 2, which is to identify the effectiveness of computer-aided facility management in organization. The discussion of this result is respondents strongly disagree that this system is complex to access using a computer. The majority of respondents felt that it was a simple. Number 2 is the system being utilized by the organization is simple to access and via smartphone, so they are easily access to smartphone also. Number 3, a high internet speed is required for the system that the organization use in order for it function properly. It also can draw the conclusion for the finding that the system is constantly being updated. To clear that the system does not have a problem with data loss when it updates to a new version. The respondent also think that user training should be performed exclusively by individuals who have a true understanding of the application, software, example of computer aided, and example of AutoCAD and database, and a true understanding of space of planning and facility management. The user of computer aided is also satisfied because the creation of more sustainable, because of the CAFM is more sustainable facility that are better built, managed, and last longer. The FM into operation is useful to strategy to focus with CAFM. The last one is the respondent understood the uses of CAFM and the effectiveness can bring to organization operational work, and also it can also reduce the repair time, enable more precise and predictable order of required part. Conclusion: the two objectives that have been proposed at the beginning of the research were achieved through quantitative approach were used, which are questionnaire. In addition, the feedback of respondents for the first objective to determine the full use of computer aided in facility management industry to indicate that majority of respondents are aware which is agree of the features in computer aided facility management uses. This means that respondent and organization have been practically using the system for operational work and services work. The next is for the second objective, to identify the effectiveness of computer aided facility management in organization. To indicate that the majority of respondents are agree that the current CAFM application system that is being used by organization is quite effective. However, based off the previous study, it is recommended that the both employee and business owner increase their knowledge on the topic of computer aided application in facility management, so that they will have an insight into the importance of the effectiveness of the information technology application in the facility management industry in Malaysia. Finally, the researcher hope that this research can benefit all the organizations implement the computer aided facility management for operational and service purpose. The result obtained for the survey questionnaire obsession and perception of the respondents should be taken seriously by the management as well as any party involved to provide a better and safer environment for residents, especially integrated facility management company in Malaysia.